Good afternoon, Bastien from BVN, here in Palermo Hills, 5 minutes east San Juan Del Sur. We see here the bay of San Juan, and we see this area, so it's a flat lot, number 29. So all the lot comes with its own case of water and light connection. It's a flat lot, a bit bigger than a quarter acre lot. So all the roads here are paved. So any cars could come here all year. So lot 29, we will tell you the size of the lot and also the listing price. So he has trees that need to be clear, but no problem, you will be able to cut those small trees who are like small bushes, and you will have your ocean view. You are allowed to build 2 stairs here. So you will have at least view from the second floor, also from your rooftop. Behind us we have almost the residential Palermo is very near us.